going to make an educated guess and say the Giants and Packers.
And what was the education that went into that guess?
Well, you said that
What's up, everybody, and welcome to Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shati, and we are here today in Culver City, Los Angeles. In honor of the NFL season starting, I'm going to ask these people some questions about the National Football League. What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Chris, and I'm from Chicago.
My name is Caleb, and I'm from Culver City.
My name is Albors. I'm from Toronto.
Patriots guy?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Now we're talking. Tom Brady for life.
As a Canadian, are you a football guy at all?
I'm more a basketball guy.
Okay. Number one, what year was the first Super Bowl held? Was it A, 1950, B, 1961, or C, 1967?
I'm going to say 1950.
I'm going to say 1967.
I'll go with C.
C is correct. It was actually 1967, as a matter of fact.
Like the opposite.
Right.
Wow. So I'm so far in the opposite direction.
The first Super Bowl was held on January 15th, 1967, arising out of a merger. It was originally called the AFL-NFL World Championship Game. Eventually, it was known as the Super Bowl. The Green Bay Packers won that first game.
Just very multifaceted, kind of an interesting fact. I appreciate the education.
Man, you're going to be an NFL historian after this. You're going to know the facts. I'd have thought the 50s, too, because it goes, you know that they've been playing football for so long. The 60s, 67 feels a little recent, Number two. Which teams have the most Super Bowl wins in NFL history? Is it A, Patriots and Steelers, B, 49ers and Cowboys, or C, Giants and Packers?
I'm going to make an educated guess and say the Giants and Packers.
And what was the education that went into that guess?
Well, you said that well, actually, now that I think about it, I see where maybe I'm mistaken. However, because you said the Packers were one of the first NFL teams,
I'm going to go with A.
I think it's going to be the Patriots and the Steelers.
We've got a Patriots fan here, and he is correct. It's actually the Patriots and the Steelers.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and you ready for this? And it goes against the logic of what you're saying because the Packers won the first one, but the Patriots actually have won all of their Super Bowls post-2000.
Oh, my God.
It's crazy.
So that means... wow. So how many have they won?
So... Patriots and Steelers each have 6 titles. All right, you're 2 for 2. This is for all the money.
Okay.
Our last question is a health question sponsored by Dherbs. Joe Theismann famously suffered one of the most gruesome injuries in NFL history. What was that injury? Was it A, a fractured skull, B, a compound tibia/fibula fracture, or C, a broken spine?
Wow, those all sound very painful. Wait, can you read them again, please?
They all sound pretty gross, but I think I'm going to guess B.
It's just chance. I'm going to say C.
I'm going to go with B.
B is correct. Compound tibia/fibula fracture is the right answer. Chris, you are correct. That's number 3. You are 3 for 3. It was actually NFL legend Lawrence Taylor, if you've ever heard of him, who inflicted the injury, which ended Theismann's career. He went on to be a sportscaster, and when another player got the same injury in 2018, that player was able to keep playing for 2 seasons. My guy, Let me break out your cash. You did it. It's $60 right there.
Wow, thank you. Oh, thanks a lot.
Of course, man. Awarded, my friend. Here goes cash money.
Wow,
for
thank you. Perfect. Amazing. Thank you, guys.
Oh, thank you for playing.
My name is Caleb. I just did the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
I'm Chris. I just won the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
How's it going, everybody? My name is Albors from Toronto, Canada. I just played the Street Smart Challenge presented by Dherbs, and shout out to these lovely people over here.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.